I'm in the middle of my retie. After I had just did my frontal retie video, I was finishing up the back of my hair. And I made a rash decision. I was looking through here and I was already worried about those the parting in like certain areas of my scalp here, which, don't get me wrong, it looks good, but up and through here, like little pieces like this, if you can see that, because this is an unplanned video, these areas there concern me. So I just randomly took a chance and I interlocked my root, but I did a 2-strand twist on these. And I'm going to show you guys what I did. I'm going to do it for this area too. The twist size doesn't seem that bad, but the root up here seems rather thin. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did. If I do decide to keep it like this, I am also going to like go through here a little bit. Maybe through there. Down here is rather thin too. But like, it's tricky with reties because when it grows out, it appears fuller, but then when you go down to the scalp, it looks like just a few strands of hair. So enough of that. Let's just see how this looks. So I got 2 equal parts and I'm gonna do it just like, and these are interlocked like I said at the root. I am going to twist it. This is the same direction of my starter twist, my 2-strand twist, for my starter lock method. So I twist it. Now, as my hair continues to go through the locking process, I don't know how this would change anything, but I'm okay with larger locks. Like if this is maybe considered a small lock instead of a micro lock, I'm all right with that. And then it'll be less maintenance in the long run, but I felt good about it actually. Like, better do it now, while things are still soft enough to make these kinds of considerations. But I'm twisting it all the way to the end. And real talk, it don't look bad at all. Like, I'm actually surprised. And maybe it's because my hair texture is more, you know, kinky, that it allows it to do that. But look at that. And this is the end. So I don't feel bad about that, guys. Like, if that was a size, I can work with that size. Like, I don't have to have so many locks. Don't get me wrong. I like this fullness and everything, but I don't like thin ends like this. That worries me. I feel like I'm setting myself up for failure. So I can get with this. And then my foundation is more, you know, sturdy or strong. To kind of endure what's to come with these locks. So, what y'all think? Oh my gosh. But anyway, I don't have much to go. So, I'm just going to kind of use this time to really revamp things and kind of see what I should do. I'm excited about that size. Let's look again in comparison. This is one side compared to this side. And like closer to these edges here, I'll just probably do it where it camouflages. Because the size Oh yeah, the size is different. So I will keep you guys posted. This was not planned. Rash decision on my part. And really just thinking about the longevity of my hair and just wanting this experience to be successful and for me to hold on to them, and for them to be able to endure a lifetime if they can. So all right, y'all, that's it. Peace and love. Talk to you, and I'll keep you posted. Bye. Okay, guys, so I decided to leave my hair alone. I just wanted to show you what I had done with my hair in a process of my 8-month retie. And as I started looking at my locks, I realized they are more uniform than I thought, and that I just need to just trust where I am in the process and let them do what they're going to do. So just thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace, y'all.